Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Monday morning and I welcome you all for the second time. All right, last night was Sunday dinner here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Robin came over and I prepared a smorgasbord or a layout for taco salad. It's fun. It's you can do whatever you want with this. One of the things we both kind of admitted last night is we both forgot about the dressing that's part of the recipe. It's super simple, but it's really good and it goes well with this particular salad. I'll post it up. Have fun with it. Change it up. Just make it your own. All right, tonight, the Culinary Expedition continues. This was originally not on the schedule, but over the weekend, I'm looking through, this week's menu, and I'm like, oh crap, I'm going to add this to the expedition. We're going to Spain tonight. What I am preparing is one word. Pisto. I looked it up. It means stew. This is a Spanish vegetable stew. In several sources, they actually compare this to ratatouille. They say this is the Spanish ratatouille. This particular version of Pisto comes from the La Mancha area. Simple hardware again tonight. Got the brazier out and a small fry pan. I'll get to the fry pan in a minute. Just a brazier. That's all I need. And a bunch of bowls. For the software, kosher salt, black pepper, half of this red onion, half of this red bell pepper, half yellow pepper, probably about half to 3/4 of the zucchini, and definitely no more than half of this eggplant. The rest of the software, extra virgin olive oil, garlic. This is approximately a half a can of diced tomatoes. I'm going to be adding some fresh tomato to this. Spanish paprika. Of course, we're in Spain. Got to use Spanish paprika. Cumin, sherry wine vinegar, and an egg. The small fry pan is actually for this egg because it gets basically fried and put on top. The fried egg is actually what makes it part of the La Mancha region. Yeah, little tidbit. So does the eggplant. It's apparently region by region. It depends on what's actually in it, what vegetables they use. Some regions use eggplant and zucchini. Some don't. So it's kind of like here in America. Per region, depending on what we use. So on this Monday, the last Monday of July, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.